What's up, guys? We are here at the Joy Nostalg Hotels and Suites in Manila, and we're going to do a quick room tour of one of their one-bedroom suites. This is on the 19th floor. Out here, you've got the standard. You're starting to see in a lot more hotels now, where you can do your do not disturb and makeup room notifications directly from a button in here. So we walk into the room, and you've got your light switches button, and we've got a little kitchen here. Kitchen. Oh, that's loud. Okay, so that's just a quick look at the layout of the 19th floor. So we're obviously well marked here, and that's what that looks like, and that's the entire floor. Full-size fridge, rare but nice to see. Full-size washer dryer combo. Small microwave, and we've got a 2-burner cooktop with an exhaust on top, an oven down here. Looks like melamine countertops. Yeah, they're not stone. Kitchen tap has a water filter on it. It's interesting. And looks like you can do drinking water out of the tap with this filter. Okay, interesting. Other than that, fairly standard small apartment grade kitchen. You've got all your utensils and cutlery and crockery and everything else in the cabinets there. And then from there, we've sort of got this like open concept that looks over into the dining and then onto the living space on the other side. So as we walk in here, we've got a 4-person dining room table. Full-size living room. There's a nice big area rug on it. The floor otherwise is marble. Recessed lighting all throughout. Some of these lampshades and everything are sort of fabric, so interesting textural variances. And then you've got a giant sort of wall-to-wall window that looks over at Ortigas Center, which is where this hotel is. So we're in Ortigas Center, which is in Pasig City. It's part of the greater Manila area. So this is what we're looking out at. Actually, this hotel happens to be right across the street from ADB, which is the Asian Development Bank's global head offices are just across the street here. So that's what this looks out at. And here's another look at the room. I guess the living, dining, and kitchen area of the room. The TV here is a bit an older model, but they've connected it up to this soundbar, which is a nice touch. Again, slightly older, but seems to be fairly functional. And then we've got a door that takes us into a very large and well-appointed sleeping space, or bedroom, if you will. It's also got its own independent temperature control here. There's one out here as well for the living area. We've got a tufted headboard up there, a king-size bed. Forget what these are called, but one of those. Standard sitting area, alarm clock on one side, phone on the other, bedside lamps, and again that view over Ortigas Center and some of Manila out your window there. If you turn around, so this is what you're looking at, the rest of the room. It's all a bit, not quite dated yet, but getting very close. This is very mid-2000s decor, and would benefit from a bit of an update. The washroom is nice and large, has this big window that sort of frames the tub in here. But before we get into that, let's walk through this little entryway into the washroom, which houses a just sliding door closet with your standard storage options, and same on the other side. This one's better suited for hanging taller garments. And from there, we've got a 2-person vanity washroom here with a standalone tub which looks over at the room. You've got the blinds, which can be easily shut for some privacy. There is a TV monitor, a very small one, albeit sort of like mounted very awkwardly in the middle of the vanity there. That's strange. I've never seen that before. It's also a strange place to put a TV screen or a monitor. But yeah, that's what you get there. And over here we've got a sizable shower stall. It's got a little stool in here and a multi-piece shower system here with the wand up top and the rain head right above that. And looks like they've got a clothes drying line set up inside here. I haven't seen one of those in a while, especially not mounted inside the shower stall. So that's interesting. Okay, so yeah, that's the shower stall, and over here we've got some controls for. I don't actually know what this does. Interesting. Heated floors, maybe. Controls for something. Light. Yeah, I don't quite know what that controls, but like everything else, it looks a little dated, but it is interesting. I have no idea what that does. It might be steaming for the shower because I see that little mount there. When I figure it out, I'll leave it in the comments. Toilet here, shower wand on the side, and that's interesting tiling work actually. I just noticed with the really small mosaic tiling, and then surrounded by the larger marble tile. But yeah, that's the extent of this room. This was your quick look at a one-bedroom suite here at the Joy Nostalg Manila, which is in Ortigas Center, Pasig City. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.